In this lesson, I will start arranging the scenes, and we will delete any scene we don't need it. Then arrange these scenes according to its priority. To arrange these scenes, I will collapse these dialogues and expand scenes dialog. Now it generates thumbnails. I will try to make all focus on the scenes dialog. This scene, which named Battle, now we don't need it in this phase, so we will delete it. Also, this scene, we may select it and delete it with this remove icon. Click yes. And this scene, we will keep on the rest of scenes. Then we will change some names. We will change Battle 1 and Battle 2 to Bool 1 and Bool 2. So we will write here Bool 1 and press enter. Then we will move to the next scene. It will be Bool 2. Then press enter. We will make setting 1 close to setting 2. We will move it up. We will use the arrow that moves scene up, so it will go up in this list. After that, we will find 2D front elevation and 2D back elevation, then ground floor plan, which we are on it now. Go to the back elevation. We will push down this wall to be aligned with that one. So we will split this face like this, so it's separate. Then push it down like this. Then back to the scene and update it. So now we arranged the project scenes.